Hello everyone and welcome to Desi Investing, a channel dedicated to investing in the Indian context. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the filters we use for picking a stock on which we can sell a put option. Here are some basic filters that I look for while picking a stock for selling a put. The first that I check for is RSI. I've done a separate video on RSI in case you would like to see that first. RSI to sell a put has to be lower than 30 for sure and preferably close to 20. This indicates that the stock has been driven by market sentiments and has been quite oversold. It is likely to rise back to higher levels. A word of caution though, do check reasons as to why it has been driven so low. Anyway, that will be covered in further filters that we use. The second filter is a 52-week high and low. The stock should have made a new 52-week low. Of course, we also need to check if this was due to poor results or some other reason, since if it is falling, it is likely to continue to fall for some time. If a stock makes two new 52-week low in a couple of weeks, then it's an even better candidate to pick for selling a put option. The next thing that we look for is news in the past. Check whether there was an earnings call or report in the previous week due to which the stock fell to new lows. In general, stock falls before impending bad news and might actually rise after publication of the news. The next filter that we should use is for news that is coming out in the future. Check whether there is a scheduled earnings report or quarterly report or so in the future. Don't sell a put option at this time. If you're right, you get a little, but if you're wrong, you lose very badly and it is highly risky to sell a put or a call during this volatile time. The fifth that we use is movement in the past, especially in the last week. If the stock has moved a lot, say it has fallen 10 to 20% in the month, it is unlikely to fall more in the next month and might actually rise say 2 to 10% or even stay flat in the next month. This gives a good chance for profit. So what are we trying here? If you're selling a put, then it is going to be profitable only if the stock does not fall below your strike price. So here we are actually checking if the stock has already fallen a lot so that it doesn't fall further. RSI, 52-week low, news, etc. are indicators of the same. So why check only these filters and not blindly sell a put? First of all, as you know, selling a put is risky and you have to eliminate as many stocks as possible. A stock which passes these filters is also likely to have a high premium on the strike price since it has already been driven so low. If the stock is flat, that means the volatility is low and the premium that you're going to get is not going to be very high. So these filters increase your reward while actually lowering your risk. That's it, it's fairly simple. You can check out other videos to see how to check RSI, 52-week highs and lows, etc. Please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, please comment so that I can make the next videos accordingly. Thanks for watching.